everyone, I'm here with another layout, and I'm doing a layout of my dad. The layout before this one, I did him opening up some shirts we bought him. And this one, I decided he had a smartphone now, and he liked to listen to all these YouTube videos, and he would have the volume up so high because he would be listening. My dad, I swear. He would have the news on the TV or watching a show on the TV and then turn around and be watching YouTube. And since the TV was on, he couldn't hear, so he turned his phone up high. And then I could hear because my bedroom door is there off the living room. And so I could hear him listening to YouTube and it would wake me up. So it was like, oh, no good. So I got him a headset and I made sure that it was like headphones to where if he connected it through the Bluetooth on his phone, he could listen to audio, not just for phone calls, but audio. So he could listen to his YouTube videos and we wouldn't have to. So my background is Hip Kit Club's holiday happenings called Poinsettia. The fa la 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 layer is crepe papers, fa la 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 la, called festive. The red polka dot banner that I cut into a banner is Holiday Happenings Berry Burst. The Holly Berry banner, this sounds funny, is Hip Kit Club's Holiday Happenings called the Holiday Holly. And I gotta go get Mateo shortly. I gotta leave in no less than 10 minutes from now. I'm gonna need at least 20 minutes to go get him. Actually, I gotta leave in 9 minutes because that gives me exactly 20 minutes to get there. So I'm going to use some fiber once again to do this, and I'm going to do red around the fa la 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 pattern, and then the bow is going to be using the green. And so, being my dad was not one who he didn't refuse to have a smartphone, but he got one when my sister actually got him one and then put him on her account. And then when he come down to stay with me for a while, he went and got his own because, of course, his phone got shut off because they didn't pay their bill. So he got frustrated with that. So he's like, you know what, I can get this phone for this much, blah, blah, blah. And so, because he was retired, and so he was on his Social Security, which is pretty much not much, and a fixed income, so he had to live them, he had to save his pennies where he could. Wish he could have stayed with me longer, but oh well. So I am using some chipboard stickers, which are Hip Kit Club's Holiday Happenings. Take Coco with me. I had to do an errand when I dropped him off, so I didn't take her with me because I do not like her sitting in a car, and it is 83 out, so I refuse to take her if I have to stop. But this time around, we're going straight there, straight home, so we're good. She can go. She doesn't like to stay home. Baby Coco. Yeah. When we get home, Mama will feed you, okay? Yeah. Alright. Okay, so I'm also going to use some phrase stickers, which are Hip Kit Club's exclusive alphabet stickers. Oh, sorry. I've looked at the wrong thing. They're still Hip Kit Club's exclusive products. Those right there. I'm going to, that laughter, the stars, and the word wonderful, our Hip Kit Club's holiday happenings because it was funny with my dad, like, oh gosh, I don't even know how to use this. And then he thought it was wonderful. So we all laughed, and then because he's funny. You have those old generations who, back in their day, they didn't have a TV, and then when TVs come out, of course, it was very small screen with black and white. So any programs he he listened to on radio, and then TV came out, it was black and white. So he likes his westerns. Oh, my cardinal. I need to get him some birdie booties. I need to find me a bird feeder. I'm gonna look out for the perfect bird feeder for them. So I need to get out some bird feed for them. It's all empty. A little platform, a little dish on the ground that I have for them. I should actually put a bowl on the ground. I wonder if they'd eat from that because it's just flat. Come from a bird feeder that the bear destroyed, and that was what was left of it. But anyway, so I have. So anyway, so the Wonderful and Laughter, those are Hip Kit Club's holiday happenings. And then I have. Oh, it's going to be Wonderful. I'm sorry. The title is Wonderful A Bluetooth. So Wonderful, and then I have A, which is Hip Kit Club's exclusive alphabet sticker. And then the word Bluetooth is going to be Pink Fresh Studio Holiday Vibes. Ready to go, Princess? And so. Alright, so pretty much when I get my title down, that's going to complete my layout. I did the paper layers, a few chipboard stickers, and then the word laughter with my title, and that pretty much, I didn't make it too embellishment heavy. So I'm going to do I'm not sure if I do them. I'll do the stars. I do that. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those because I have to go get the boy from practice. So when I get back from that, hopefully I can cook dinner and put him to bed and come back and do a few more. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.